Wow, what a day, what a day. All I can tell you is volatility is here. I'm going to show you the most unbelievable bear flag that happened this morning on the 15-minute time frame, and then the second bear flag on the 15 after the 60-minute reverse to sell. But let me tell you, what a day. But before I get to that, please join me tonight from 8 to 10 for My Funded Futures. I'll be hosting that 8 to 10 slot on the Asia session. It's a remarkable time, so be there. Can't wait to really show you these patterns from today, all the divergence patterns, the buy divergences, the shorts, the bear flags. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. And we cover NASDAQ, S&P, oil, and gold. So gold, absolutely magnificent shorts today. Unbelievable. Gold, I think, is going to break 4,000. But overall, please join me tonight again on either My Funded Futures TV and or SK Trading YouTube. And we're going to be giving away not 5, not 10, but 20 rapid accounts tonight. So be there. And again, it's going to be a lot of fun. So hope to see you there. Also, if you like a 5-day free trial to my live stream every day, 8:30 to 4, on Discord, Monday through Friday, please text me your phone name and email to 914-500-7484. And if you have any type of questions you want to throw at me, just say, hey, Steve, hey, you got a minute to talk? I'd love to talk to you, okay? Completely free. I don't charge or anything like that. Also, please, if you're going to follow me on social media at official Stephen Kalayjian on X, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, I do not DM. My picture is being posted everywhere. People is trying to scam people out of money on DMs, on Discords. I give out my personal cell phone number, so just contact me and ignore all the nonsense, and you won't have any headaches, okay? All right, so for today, I'm going to go over this really quick because I have sheets of stuff to go over, and I wanted to show this to you. So we got this big caboose today right here, and they pushed up. The NASDAQ futures and S&P futures, well, really ricocheted off the lows. The S&P 75.15, NASDAQ 29,630. And I'll show you why we bounced right after this pattern. We had bounced because the 60 and the 30-minute time frame on the continuous contracts, the MACDs didn't confirm, and it was like an actual slingshot. Ding, boink, like that. I swear it was amazing. NASDAQ pushed up over 30,000, ran 375, 70, maybe 390, almost close to 400 points. Let's leave it at that. Okay, I think it was 380 points off the low. I think the high was 30,336 on that move. Now, when you get this push up here, the title of the show is Identifying Bear Flags, especially into a negative MACD. Look at this pattern. You're pushing up into new highs, okay, on the day, into a negative MACD on the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frames. And I'll show them to you here. Here's the 30, okay, but the bear flag was truly off of the 15-minute time frame, okay? So you're pushing up into this negative MACD, phenomenal short, okay? And they dropped 350 points in literally, 2 hours, okay? But what was the catalyst to this short? The bear flag, the pushing up into the negative, the new high, pushing up into the negative MACD, but also, right, you saw the ADXs are rising on the 15, 30, and 60. And when you see something like that with the big selling pressure, this is an absolute Picasso. Somebody said to me today, Steve, Mr. Kalayjian, what does a Picasso mean? I had to have somebody else answer it. I couldn't take it, okay? A Picasso is the most unbelievable, it's like the most beautiful artist, one of the greatest artists of all time. And the pictures as he's painted, I've seen about 7 up close. And to be honest with you, it's just an unbelievable work of art. So when I say this pattern is a Picasso, that's a Picasso. That's the difference between a pattern trade and a scalp trade, and that is a phenomenal pattern right there on the 15-minute time frame. I'm shaking my head. I'm like, who the hell's buying them up here? But who the hell cares, right? The spiders, the Q 723.61. Look at that, $7, okay? Now, what's the next strategy that happened here today? Well, the 60-minute time frame reversed to sell at 10:30, okay? And what does the strategy allow us to do? Okay, Anybody know? You short the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame. And you could have started shorting here, 12, and I said between 11:30 and 1 or 12 and 2. At 12:30, you can see right here the high, boom, right here, 7:20 on the Qs at 12:45. Everything got absolutely kabooshed. The ADXs are rising on both the 30 and the 60. Monster selling pressure. What happened? Well, you count the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. You can see the drop of about 5. And if you went 10 bars, it got absolutely kabooshed. Now, if you look at the 15-minute time frame, you can see the new lows here. The MACDs did not confirm the low. That's what I was calling for longs. And if you look here on the 30-minute and the 60-minute time frame on the NASDAQ, you can see the new lows right here. This was the first low, all right? I said, 616. I thought it was 630. You can see why we ricocheted up right off to the 30-minute time frame. The S&P futures, the 60 and the 30-minute time frames, the MACDs were positive, and that's exactly what triggered the market to really ricochet right back up. So you see the drop, the bounce, and then you see the bounce. Look at this, 616. Look at this. 400 points, 430 points. It's insane, okay? And then the 30-minute reverses to sell here. Again, when you got the new low right here, 577, I said back up the truck, right? I said I'd be buying them here. Why? The MACDs did not confirm on the push down here. Do you see that? Also, if you look here on the NASDAQ, on the S&P futures, you can see here, the S&P futures, here, this is the push down here. Now the S&Ps did not make the low, but here's the low on the 30-minute S&P, and you can see the low, 715 and change, boom. You're talking 76 points on the S&P like that, off of a buy divergence, okay? So anyway, so I wanted to show you this pattern here. Again, the 60 minutes reversing to sell on the QQQs at 10:30, nothing but sells. Now I want to show you another great pattern here. Okay, this is called I call it a double red short, but really in this example it's called a triple red short. Okay, because of the fact that all three time frames are in sell mode. Okay, all three time frames are in sell mode, 15, 30, and 60. So what do you look to do here? Okay, what do you look? The 5 reverses to sell. Okay, you get this first bounce here on the 5. The ADXs are rising on the 30 and 60. Here's the first short, boom, and here's the second short later on. Okay, so again, you see how the 5-minute time frame reversed to sell. It correlated with its 15, 30, and 60. The ADXs are rising on the 30 and 60. You look to short the first bounce on the 5. You wait patiently. They got absolutely kabooshed, and then you wait for the short. Excuse me. You wait for the short, and that's exactly the pattern that you should be looking at right there. And that is a phenomenal pattern. If you look here, you can see how the push up 735.60. They dropped here almost 19 points on the S&P. Again, if you look here, you can see SanDisk reversing to sell on the 60-minute time frame. And then, obviously, the push up on the 15. Look at this monster bear flag right here. The whole world was a short at 10:10, 10:20, 10:30. Okay? Monster short off the 15. And then you can see the drop. Boom, right here. You can see the drop. It got up to the 2017, and you can just see the drop. Forget it, 17 to 28. You're talking 39 points. And SanDisk absolutely kabooshed. Now, yesterday's high in SanDisk was 23.52. You can see the drop of almost 400 points. This is actually kind of really healthy for the market. This is what the market needs. Okay, I'd love to see SanDisk get down to the 1500. Now, Micron's earnings are coming out tomorrow after the bell, so that should be interesting. Also, Micron. Again, the 60 reverses to sell. What do you look to do? You short the bounce here on the 15. Look at this bounce on the 15 right here. Was trading Is that the one? Here's the first bounce. Look at this monster. You're pushing up to new highs, 1125. This bear flag is what the title of the show is: identifying bear flags on the 15-minute time frame into the negative MACD. You see that 1025? It dropped. Look at this. It dropped almost 43 points. It's absolutely insane in about 30 minutes. Then the 60 reverses the sell, and you short the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame. These are absolutely Picasso patterns, and this is what I teach all day long: pattern trading and scalp trading. Again, during pattern trading, you're probably anywhere between 4 to 8, maybe 4 to 10, depending on volatility. But again, the most important thing is to really identify the patterns, and if you could trade scalp and understand how fast the markets move and using the DOM, well, that's just another added feature. Because I'm here from 8:30 to 4, I'm not going to twiddle my thumbs all day long and wait for patterns that could take another hour or 45 minutes to that I hope that will set up. So unbelievable. So we saw that. I'll show you another great pattern here. Intel, you can see Intel here, INTC. Intel reversing to sell on the 15-minute time frame, and it correlated with its right here. It correlated with its 30 right here. So what do you look to do? You short the bounce on the 15, 133.93. Even though it dropped $1, I'm identifying the pattern to you. When the 15 reversed the sell, you went into what's called the sell disconnect, and now you have 2 out of 3 negative, and then you short the first bounce on the 15. Last but not least, Broadcom, one of the best on, well, we can do NVIDIA too. Broadcom. Look at this beautiful short right into the 10 bar, right? 91 rallies from 77, rallies 14. 91 brings you 79. And then after the 60-minute time frame reverses to sell, again, the sequence right here, the whole world was a short after that. Okay, it came in, and then look at the nice short here. Between here and here was a short. Let's say you get the short between 83 and 84 and 85, and you can see the drop here of about $5.5, $6. So last but not least, we'll just do NVIDIA. Really very weak here. Closed right on the 200 line. NVIDIA reversing the sell on the 60. The ADX is rising. Negative MACD. Again, look at this beautiful short into the negative MACD. Everything lined up between 10:10 and 10:10 to 10:30. And then look at the 15-minute bounce here. Right here, 292. And you can see the drop here. Is that 292? 202.90, sorry, and dropped about $2. Again, a pattern up to 8 bars, no matter what time frame we're trading off of. And if you're looking at the overall market on a scalp, it's up to 3 bars, whether you're looking at a 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute time frame. All right, when I get back, I want to tell you the cardinal rule that people really, really need to hear when it comes to trading. There's a phrase called over trading. And so many people I've heard today were up money and then gave it back, up big money, gave it back, and then came back roaring at the end. But the bottom line is, when you hit your goals, you stop. And I tell people all the time, you have to set a goal for yourself. That's part of another form of discipline, which I went over last night. But discipline comes in many factors, and so is over trading is one of the key elements. Today I was up, I made, I think, $10,000 or something, $10,000 in 18 seconds on the opening. It's insane. Okay, so what happened? I took it easy. I wasn't feeling well. I had a bad migraine all day from last night. I just said, I'm going to take it easy. I did a couple trades here or there, all winners, but for me, I just said I'm not going to push it. My health is more important. I could have traded literally almost every tick in Micron today. Okay, but I didn't want to push myself, and for what? I'm not feeling well. I'd rather just rest today and come back strong tomorrow. That's another key point, that your health is everything. So you have to train like an athlete, okay, if you're going to want to be a great trader. You got to eat right, you got to exercise. It stimulates your mind and gets you stronger. But over trading is a big problem. If you hit your goal, you stop. Watch, learn, listen, or sim, or just keep rotating to different accounts, okay? Thank you for joining me tonight on The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment. If you'd like to join my community of traders from all around the world, please go to my website, sktrading.live, and I would love to have you join us. If anybody wants a 5-day free trial or just talk to me or text me, you can text me your full name and email for the 5-day free trial at 914-500-7484. Have a great night, everybody. Please watch me tonight on the My Fund the Futures from 8 to 10 on the My Fund the Futures YouTube and our SK Trading YouTube. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America.